your boy Catloco, and today we finally got one. What's up, YouTube? So we finally got one. This is a 03 Chevy 3500 Express, and last night I was on looking up the inventory for pick and pull, and I saw a Chevy Express 3500 6.0. That was on they got it in Tuesday and today's Saturday, so I was like, man, this thing's gone. But as you can see, 317 heads, that's your 6.0, and Chevy Express van. The 3500 trim package, everything's still here. All the wires are still intact. I really didn't plan coming out here to pull the motor. This one probably has, I don't know, I'm guessing 300,000 to 400,000 miles, seeing it's a work van. So, and then I don't know if I really want to mess with trying to take engine out of van, because basically I'm gonna have to cut this little tunnel here to get to the bolts, or I've seen people take the fenders off, the front radiator off, sell the fender. But I think what I would do, and get this open, since I already did this once, not on a van though, I would probably cut this core sport. I mean, it's only probably 5 or 6 bolts, but I'd probably just cut that, cut it at the bottom, do it on the same side, get the whole front off, and then I'll have clearance to hold the motor mounts and all the entire harness, since the harness is still on here. And this is I don't know if you can see it, that's drive-by cable. So this would be the first 6.0 I actually found out here. So what do you think? Should I grab it? But the only problem I have too is I have all this stuff in front of the engine to try and get a cherry picker out. But yeah, this is the first one I came down this aisle, and they got a 6.0 sitting right here. So on the website they show like a red Suburban as a 6.0, so I'm guessing that's the only reason why this thing's still here. No one put one together that it wasn't a Express, and this is the only Express in this row. But like I said, I really didn't plan on pulling an engine today. I was just coming out here to film, since last weekend I spent more time cleaning the garage out to get the engine in the garage, which I still haven't. I got clean today, clean tomorrow, but you know, I wanted to shoot a video for you guys today. But there it is, your first 6.0. I didn't know about the 317 heads, honestly. I thought it was 243 and 799s, but I looked it up, and yeah, 317 is 6.0. I know this truck, or this van, is a 6.0 liter. I was trying to see if I can see the markings on the actually the marking would be on the passenger side in the front if it's a 6.0, but I mean, I'm pretty positive it is 6.0. This is 3500, and online it's marked as a 6 liter. But yeah, sorry last week I didn't make the video. I decided cleaning my garage more important than showing the engine stuff this week and last week. But yeah, we back in this junkyard. This is what everybody want to see. My first 6.0 that I've actually found in my junkyard. I lost that other one in that truck, the Silverado 2500. But they are in vans, at least in this trim package. It's really tempting to try and pull this thing. My only dilemma is it's not half off. I only brought that little bag today, and I really don't want to start pulling and I run out of time, and then tomorrow or during the week someone yanks it from me, or they yank it like they did on the that 02 Yukon I was working on, because I don't see this engine being here long. It has been here since Tuesday, which is pretty surprising. Last time when that truck dropped, it dropped Saturday, and like by 8:30, 9 o'clock it was gone. But I don't see a lot of people messing with these vans. I think once the yard workers, if they remove the fenders and expose the engine, then it'll definitely be gone. So I was also thinking about just, maybe pull the head, slow some people down, pull the intake. Only problem is that 317 isn't any better than the A62 heads I have, or the 706 heads. So it's really pointless, and it'd be a lot of work maneuvering to get these bolts underneath this dash. I can get the most of them, but I think the back two of the fender, of the valve cover, the intake, might be a little tricky. And definitely the bolts on the trans, once I do start working on it, or the bell housing I should say. I'm just at a crossroad, man, because I was really excited to find one, and now that I find one, I didn't really want it to be in a van. I really didn't want to be in the van. But we'll walk around a little bit. This thing ain't going nowhere. Someone's gonna have a hard time getting that heavy engine crane through that maze of wheels and concrete. They would have to bring it probably through the other aisle, and then maybe around this side, and then getting a cart out. You probably can cart it out. I want to look into buying one of those like 4-wheel wagons. This yard doesn't carry them. Some other pick and pulls I went to, they have them, but this one doesn't. It's a nice day out, man. It's 56, it's sunny. I got a hoodie on, I don't even need it. Yeah, man, I'm chilling here like Bosco out in Florida. I got a hoodie on. It's nice out, man. But there it is, your 6.0. So I've been walking around for a little bit, and there's only 3 full 5.3s left in the yard. This one I showed you with hard knocks is here. I'm thinking about taking the harness off this one. I don't see any wires cut. There's another one on the next row where some of the wires are cut, so I may grab this one today. And I also have this one here. They're both drive-by cable, I believe. No, this one's wire, but the other one's drive-by cable. So I may snag that if I feel like doing it today. I really don't need it, but the other one I got has a few good connections. Like you see how people just cut this off. That was drive-by wire. So I can't use that one. I can use that one. That was that donation vehicle. then as far as the 6, I still don't know what I'm gonna do about that. I really didn't plan on staying out here all day messing with pulling the engine, because I gotta pull it, leave it loose, pray someone don't come behind it and snag it. So that's my dilemma. There's only about 10 people over here today. It's not too crazy. These other 2 aisles have more people in it. So I got the 253s here. Then I got the other one over there, which is pretty much untouched. Someone cut the wires on the harness on some of the connections, but it's still, I mean, it's still a go if you want a 5.3. So this is the other one. Still pretty complete. This is the wire. Let's see, someone snipped. And maybe another snip connection there. Yeah. So what they did was, when you see stuff like that, they just took the injectors. They ripped out the fuel rail, cut the wires from the injectors, and you yank the injectors, because those things run about $7 to $10 a piece. So that's like the first thing people steal if they don't care about the motor. And then the other thing is the throttle body. But everything else is there. The only thing they took is injectors. So I'm back at 6. So to confirm, this is the 6.0. You can see it's 6 liters. Because I was looking for markings in the door, and I know it's normally a sticker here, but you can see it's 6.0. So this definitely won't be here long. Hopefully, being a van, this scares some people off that don't want to mess with it. I mean, it's pretty much the same work. Take the front off. Getting the engine out through the front, they may have to take the bumper off, because it may be hard to get the oil pan out. You probably got to take the cross member out down there. I mean, I'd like to try it, but this wasn't what I was looking for. I mean, this has the full 80E transmission too, which everybody wants. Hell, I want it. I'm pretty sure it's still there. Yep. Someone took the pan off. It says, I don't know if that's the workers or someone looking at the trans and took something out of it. So that could be a factor. But it's definitely 6. The only problem is I really don't feel like doing it. I've been talking about getting one, but after getting that 5.3, I still got to clean the garage to get that one engine in. And then if I come back and try to get 2 in, it's a possibility. If this thing's still here, maybe next weekend, or which I doubt. I don't like to pull engines unless it's half off, because I believe this cost me about $220. By the time I'm done, if that's just the block, all I need is the block, really. So I don't know what to do. It's still nice out. Beautiful day. I rather enjoy my day than pull the 6 right now. So I mean, that's kind of my answer on the 6.0 today. I only brought that small little bag. I didn't bring much tools. I didn't bring 1/2 inch drives. But we may take that harness. It's been here a while, so I don't have to take it today. But I'm thinking about it, you know, just pulling something while I'm out here. The main reason I came out here is, you know, just to film, show you guys was out there, was out here basically. I got 5 full 5.3s, or sorry, 3 5.3s and 1.60. So all the people watching the series, I hope you're enjoying it so far. There can be a lot more pulls, a lot more builds. I'm just trying to enjoy this day. I really don't want to pull the 6.0 today, but it may get got. I just need to find out how many miles are on this engine, because that's a big factor. But it's your boy Catloco. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm out.